What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And I got Chris back here. Hello.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, buddy. How you doing? So, we got a long day today. We gotta do a bunch of stuff. We gotta go pick up a map sensor for the GT500. Then we gotta do, what else?
Huh?
What else we gotta do today?
That's it.
Just pick up the map sensor and that's it?
That's it. Now we have to.
we gotta do the fuel system and the GT500 and a few more things, but
Hat. Waiting on that.
yeah, billet hat.
Why don't you finish it up?
Yep. What are you doing today?
I gotta put a headlight in my Volkswagen.
$200 bulb, huh?
$145. Volkswagen wanted $265 for this bulb.
Sick.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's about an 18-hour install.
Yeah.
It's not.
Yeah, it's about right. So, all right, let's go get it all done today. We'll see ya. All right, guys. So we had a change of plans. We didn't get to get the billet lid until later on this evening, and I guess that's going to be tomorrow's video. Us doing the install on the GT500, but we're gonna go check out the local Mustang meet and see what's going on. So what's up, buddy?
What's up, man? How's it going?
Pretty good. Tired of
Driving?
yeah, tired of driving all over the place today. Got the map sensor for the GT500.
Yeah, today kind of went to shit pretty quick.
Yeah.
Plans went downhill. We were waiting all day on a order from UPS that dropped off. It never did, and it came in super late, so we weren't able to go finish up what we were doing. And then I think we went to the shop and got just a couple of random miscellaneous things that we had going on. Then we decided to come out to the Mustang meet out here in, what is this, Orange City?
It's like Deltona, Orange City.
Yeah, so hang out here for a little bit, see what we can get into. One of our buddies brought out his truck. Might see this thing tonight. I don't know.
Race truck.
Yeah, it's not bad. What's the name of it? Knowable, right?
Woo. All the Mustangs.
Sweet.
All right, dude. So, kind of tell me about the truck. I know you grudge race, so you ain't gonna tell me a lot, but
all motor, little 305, Chevrolet, conventional heads, T56 transmission. It's got a stock rear end. Pretty much just a thrown together pile of junk that we just threw it together and see what we could do, and probably runs like a 14.9, something like that. Slow.
Well,
But
hey,
it's got slicks and a big hood scoop, so it's intimidating.
Hey, big thanks to you too for the skid steer, so we can get them lifts in.
Oh yeah. I gotta have somewhere to work on my pile of junk. So.
Let's get this thing fire up, dude.
All right.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah, all gutted. It's light. Well, kind of light. I'm fat as hell, so, you know, it's not as light as it could be.
You're fluffy.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's not as light as
pH,
it could be, but...
pH.
Yeah, definitely, because I'm styling profile. Woo, Ric Flair in it. It's got Moroso trick springs in the front. 90-10s in the front, 60-40s in the rear. That's the main thing about the truck, why it works.
Yeah.
It ain't got no power, but it hooks pretty good. It's we actually just put the 26s on, so we're gonna try and test those tonight. I was hoping to beat up on a Mustang, but don't look like none of them gonna want none of that. So I guess I'll just be running solo.
Well, you know, we do got a turbo S10 coming, so
Hey. Yeah,
maybe y'all can get down.
I'd definitely sit next to that truck. But like I said, it's all motor. I'm planning on spraying it, but it's gonna, whenever the 305 blows up, it's gonna get LS, just like everybody else.
Yeah, might as well join the club.
Yeah, after I'm done being slow, get an LS. But it needs a, like I said, it's a stock 7.5 rear end, so that's not gonna hold up to anything Well, some people say they do, but not me. I don't.
Is it welded or you have a locker in it?
No, it's got 4 11s and a locker. Well, what's left of the locker. And sometimes it decides it doesn't want to lock.
Yeah. But,
It's an unlocker.
well, you only need one. It's fine.
It's an old work truck, carry my lumber around with me.
Yeah, I see that,
I need
dude.
to build a house or something.
I see that, dude.
Missing a lug nut.
Yeah, it's actually missing 3
Quite-
lug nuts
Oh, okay.
altogether.
Weight reduction.
Yeah, you gotta save weight where I can, because obviously I ain't missing no meals.
Nice tip.
That's what she said. Hey, oh.
Sweet, dude. Can't wait to see this thing get down.
Yeah, I'm excited to see what it'll do with 26s. The 28 had 28s on it, and it worked really good with the 28s. But being that it doesn't make any power, I went to a 26 and an aluminum wheel, because it used to have a 28 and a steel wheel. So I dropped 2 inches in tire and then saved about 30 pounds in wheels and tires. So
Trying to get some mile per hour out of her.
well, I'm gonna try to knock down the 60 foot, because like I said, it's slow. So as long as it leaves decently, then I got a chance with things. But
You got
Sweet.
some stickies?
yeah.
Doing some Mexico activities?
What's that?
Doing some Mexico activities?
We're here in Mexico.
It's a far drive.
It was. It's been a
I
hell
live
of a
right
drive.
down the road from Mexico, actually.
Yeah. I mean, it's
Just a hop, skip of a border away.
yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Literally, right there.
Yeah.
See that fence?
Mexico's right over there. It's weird. Way over there. Well, yeah. Do a couple test hits, see how the tires are doing.
Probably gonna run out 330. That's it.
Yeah. Make sure it does a wheelie.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Know right away what you got out of it. You know, you were doing 1.9s before.
Sweet. Just like that, we're in Mexico, baby.